Act 1 Scene 2 of William Shakespeare's play, A Midsummer Night's Dream, takes place in a different part of Athens, specifically in the house of Quince, the leader of a group of amateur actors known as the Mechanicals. This scene focuses on the preparations for a play that the Mechanicals plan to perform at Theseus and Hippolyta's wedding. The scene opens with Quince assigning different roles to the actors for their play, which is based on the tragic love story of Pyramus and Thisbe. Quince assigns Bottom, a weaver, the lead role of Pyramus, much to the delight of Bottom, who considers himself a talented and versatile actor. Quince also assigns roles to Snug, Snout, Starveling, and Flute, who are all members of the group. During the assignment of roles, Quince explains the importance of rehearsing carefully and avoiding mistakes on stage. He gives each actor their lines and instructions, emphasizing the need for clear pronunciation and exaggerated actions to ensure the audience understands the play. Meanwhile, Puck, a mischievous fairy, enters the scene and observes the preparations. Puck overhears the actors discussing their concerns about one of their members, Bottom, who they find overconfident and overly enthusiastic. Puck decides to play a trick on the group by transforming Bottom's head into that of a donkey, thinking it will cause a comedic disruption during their performance. After the other actors leave, Bottom remains behind and starts rehearsing his lines alone. Unbeknownst to him, Puck approaches and places an ass's head on him. When Bottom sees his reflection in the mirror, he is startled by his new appearance but soon dismisses it as a trick of his imagination. Despite the transformation, Bottom remains unfazed and assumes that the other actors will be even more impressed by his acting skills when they see him. The scene concludes with the actors making arrangements to meet in the woods outside Athens for their rehearsal. Bottom, oblivious to his altered appearance, leads the group in their departure, excitedly discussing the success he anticipates for their play. Scene 2 of Act 1 in A Midsummer Night's Dream serves as a comic interlude between the intense conflicts of love in the previous scene and the enchanting events that will take place in the woods. It introduces the audience to the comical and eccentric group of actors, highlights the playful nature of Puck, and sets the stage for the humorous and transformative interactions that will occur later in the play. Join me in the next episode, where we shall delve deeper into the heart of Shakespeare's masterpiece, unraveling its themes, exploring its magical elements. Please subscribe to my channel, it's completely free, and please leave a like, it will mean a world to me.